Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited. I am doing another Dailylook unboxing. I got my next Dailylook box and I'm so excited to dig inside and see what's in there. And if you haven't checked out Dailylook or have no idea what Dailylook is, let me explain. So basically, Dailylook is a personal stylist in a box. It is amazing. You go on their website, you take a quiz, a personal stylist will take that quiz, all that information, and curate a box just for you of some premium brands that you actually know and some really great pieces that you might need in your closet. So I got mine this month, and if you use the code absolutely10, you can get $10 off your first box. I will leave all like the discount code and links down in the description box down below so you guys can check that out. But definitely check out Dailylook if you saw my last unboxing, which if you didn't, I'll also link that down below. It was awesome. I had the best experience, and it was actually so much fun to see what somebody else picks out for you based on like a quiz that you take. And I found some really great pieces that I might have never thought I would buy myself, and I'm so excited to see what's in my new box. All right, so today we are gonna open my box. I'm gonna try everything on for you guys and share with you my thought process on what I'm keeping, what I maybe not am keeping. And the best part too is if you don't like it, you just throw it back in the box, send it right back. They have everything so nicely packaged. They have a pre-paid label and everything that you just slap on the box and you send right back. So it's really easy to do. I like that it's so convenient. And yeah, let's go ahead and we're gonna try on all the clothes. All right, one thing I did say about my last box is that I really just tend to go for neutral colors, and they totally listened because there's some really beautiful neutrals. So if you don't like your first box or like just everything just didn't work out for you, give them feedback and they listen and they will give you what you want. And this first top is so cute. It is so soft. It is kind of like a flannel-y material, but not heavy, very kind of like thin and lightweight. And I love the print. How cute is this top? It kind of feels like one of those rails tops. And I just love it. I love the length of it, and it's just a really basic, easy top, but I love the print. It's very neutral and a really good one. I really like this one. It's probably gonna stay in my closet. All right, next up is a pair of J brand jeans. I actually got a pair in my last box that was a lighter wash, and this one is a darker wash, which I love, and they're high-waisted. They're also cropped, and the cropped actually hits me at the right spot. So these are actually going to be a great pair for fall. I love the wash, and the sizing is perfect. I just love these. They're really comfortable, and they kind of feel like legging jegging, but like a substantial material. So I love these. Another winner. I'm probably gonna keep these. I love these jeans. They're so good. All right, next up is a trench coat that we're gonna try on, and I love trench coats. I love coats in general, especially in the fall. I love really good coats and like lightweight jackets that you can throw on. This one is cute. I think it's a little weird that this side only has that, but I think this buttons, here we go. So this buttons there. Okay, so that goes there, and then I think this wraps around and has a little belt. Oh, it does have holes. Okay, good. I was like, how do I tie this in here? And yeah, so I don't think it has like a little, it's just gonna have to go like that, I guess. I don't know about this jacket, you guys. I'm not hating it by any means. It's a really nice and like a great, like I said, lightweight one. I actually do have a trench already in maybe a little bit of a darker color, but this one's really long as well. I don't know if I'd like that. I'd like something like maybe a little shorter. I like something covering the bum, but this is for my height. I think it's a little too long. I don't hate it by any means. This is really beautiful, but and this is kind of weird, don't you think? I don't know. I just feel like it should be on both sides, like symmetrical. All right, so this one I am going to pass on, but that's okay. We have more. All right, next up is something I know I'm keeping. I'm pulling out the box and I know I'm keeping. I have actually searched for one of these for a very, very long time and could not find one. And I love it. It is a kind of like thinner sweater vest that is in this beautiful camel color. I love it. I love the length, that it's kind of like duster length. It has little pockets here, little slits on the side. I love this. I think it's such a great layering piece for fall time and even in the summer to kind of just throw over as a light layer. I just love it. It's so cute and the color is beautiful. Like I said, they did my neutrals very, very well in this box. So yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. All right, next up is another pair of jeans. These are by Just Black, I believe. And actually in my last box, I got a pair of these and they were a lower rise jean and they listened because I need high rise. Ever since I went to high rise jeans, it's hard to go back to a lower rise jean. And I got a black high rise jean and I love them. They're perfect. And the length is great. I love these. This is like a good basic black jean for my closet because this is something that I was very, very in need of. I definitely needed a good pair of just black skinnies and this is perfect. All right, so next up is a pair of shorts and these are so cute. They are by BCBG and they're a high-waisted eyelet black short. I love them, except they're a little big on me. But I'm kind of like, if I could just exchange the size to a smaller size, I would totally keep these. They have pockets. They are a perfect length. The high rise is like perfect. They also have like a stretchy band back here, so it's easy. You don't have to like unbutton or zip or anything to get them on. You just literally pull them up because it's just a stretchy waistband in the back. They're so cute. I love them. You can dress them up, dress them down. I just think this is a really cute pair of shorts and I just need a size down. So maybe we'll see if we can switch. All right, last item in my box is a super adorable romper. I don't know what it is about this romper, but I feel like I can wear it now and into fall. I just feel like it's a really versatile piece. It is strapless. It has this little ruffle detail on the top. The sizing is really, really nice. It has a nice like little drawstring cinch right here. So it kind of like blouses out. It's so cute. I actually think with like a little denim jacket over would be so cute. I love this one. This one's definitely a keeper. I love the floral print. It's like very muted and it'll go with a lot of different things in my closet. So perfect pick. All right guys, so I added so many great things to my closet. I'm so excited. I added a sweater vest, which I have been hunting for years, 2 staple denim, a black and a dark wash denim. I mean, like that's really hard to find. So just added those to my closet, a new neutral top that will go with so many things, a little romper. You guys, I am set. My closet is good. Definitely check out Dailylook. Use the code absolutely10 to get $10 off your first box using Dailylook. You guys, it's such a great service. I've had so much fun using their service and finding new pieces for my closet, so definitely check out for yours. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this Dailylook unboxing. Make sure you check out Dailylook and my discount code absolutely10 for $10 off your first Dailylook box. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you guys in my next video.